Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coda King. In this video I will execute a C program uh, to find the GCD of two numbers. Okay, so before going to that you should know what exactly the GCD is. So it's nothing but if I have given my two numbers as 4 and 6, I have factors of 4 as 1, 2 and 1 comma 2 comma 4 is my factors of 4, and 2, while coming to 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Okay, leaving the 6. Okay, you can also include 6 are the factors of 6. So what I would do is the greatest among these two. GCD is greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. So my GCD, I should want to print the GCD of 6 and 4. So my factors of 4 is 1 to 4, 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6 is my factors. So out of these two, my greatest one, my common element with the greatest is, the common elements are, you can say the common elements are 1 is a common element and 2 is a common element. But out of 1 and 2, which is greatest? So 2 is greatest. So I can say the GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. This is how we should find the GCD of a number. So I will execute a program to find the GCD using the C stdio.h int main. I'm opening a curly braces. First I will declare two variables a comma b. So I will print a message, printf %d printf enter two values which you want to print GCD. Okay, so I'm scanning these two, scanf %d comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. So and yeah, I'm scanning this one. So before going to this one, I will do this in for loop for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to. So here comes the picture. So I can do it by, if my A is 4 and B is 6, so I just want to know the common divisors in 2 and 6, 4 and 6. So what I would do is I will check for 4 and I will check for 6 and I will see what is the common element. For this 2 I will use only one for loop. So if I use one for loop, if I use this, if you don't know that whether A will be big or B will be big, because if I print A here, I less than or equal to A can be 6 or 4, whatever it may be. If my A is unfortunately 4, then what it will do is it will print 1 comma, it will print the divisors of 2 as 1 comma 2 comma 4, and my divisors of 6 will be 1 comma 2 comma 3. That's it. Where is my 6? So in this example, okay, it is satisfied because 2 is my answer. But in some examples maybe it's not that case. So what I would do is I just want to know the biggest value. So if I entered here 6, if I less than or equal to 6, then I can say that my 6 is also available here. So a complete divisors I can print. So what I would do first is I would check whether what is big. Before I want to check, I will declare another variable big. If A greater than B, then my big will be my A. else my big will be my b. So what happens is, if a is big or b is big, the biggest value will be printed here. So big I will print. Okay, then I plus plus I will use. So biggest value, no problem here, because I have printed biggest value here, because you don't know whether a is big or b is big. If a is big, my big will be a. If b is big, my big will be b. Okay, then I will check if a modulus 2 equal to 0 and b mod 2 equal to 0, then I can say sorry and sorry, not a mod 2, a mod I. So here comes, then I can say k is equal to my I. So printf percentage d is GCD. I will print here GCD, where my percentage d is k. Okay, so this is, I have printed this after the loop so that I will get the biggest one. So I will explain how it works after my execution. Compile and run. So gcd.c. Okay, here comma k. Any other variables left? No. Okay, big I. Okay, and here I'm executing F11. So to print 4 comma 6 is my this one, and yes, 2 is my GCD of 4 and 6. So I will explain how it executes. So first I have declared all variables, enter 2 values, you want to print in GCD, scanning the A and B, and I am here is a condition. If A is I just want to assign big value here, maybe A is big or B is big. I just want to assign big value here so that my factors would be complete, so that I can check for all variables. So if I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to big, I plus plus for loop, I am initializing it and check the condition and incrementing. So after checking the condition, I will enter into the loop. If a mod I, if my a is 4, it will start from 1. So 4 mod 1 equal to 0. Yes, 4 mod 1 equal to 0. Here mod represents obviously my remainder function, means if I would get 0 when I divide 4 by 1. 4 by 1 I get remainder 0, yes. 6 by 1 my remainder is 1. Here my k will be 1. But again it continues its loop, because the condition is again true, so that my I is 2 now. It incremented and my condition is checked. Yes, I is 2 now. If 4 mod 2 equal to 0, yes, 4 by 2 I will get remainder 2, 0, yes, and I will get 6 mod 2 equal to 0, yes. When I divide 6 by 2, my remainder will be 0. Now my k is 2. If I print here, what I do, if I print k here, my common factors I will get. I will get my common factors, not the GCD. Yeah, if I print here, printf percent, okay, and then so let's check what happens here if I have given my printf value here other than here. So I'm executing this one, compile and run. Let's see what happens if I'm giving 4 comma 6. So 1 is GCD, 2 is GCD, 2 is GCD, 2 is GCD. Okay, so what comes here is okay, first it initializes, yes, condition is satisfied, it comes into the loop. If yes, mod 4 mod 1 equal to 0. Yes, remainder is 1 when 4 is divided by 1 and 6 is divided by 1, remainder is 0. Here my k is 1 now, so I am printing k is GCD. So k is GCD, it will print. Again it goes into the loop, my I will become 2, increments and checks the condition. Yes, my here big is 6, so my 2 is less than or equal to big. Yes, it will checks 4 mod 2 equal to 0. Yes, this condition and this condition satisfied. Now my k equal to 2 and it will print the k value as 2, and again while coming to the loop my k will be 3, my k will be incremented and then checks the condition and goes into the loop. 4 mod 3 equal to 0. No, this condition failed, but this condition satisfied, but I have used AND operator here. AND means this should satisfy and this too should satisfy. So this failed, this condition is failed, but my condition here failed, but my k value is 2. Okay, previously my k value is 2, now the k value does not change, so it will again printf GCD is 2, and it will go on and it will print GCD is 2 and GCD is 2 for value of 4, GCD is 2 for value of when I is equal to 5, GCD is 2, when I is equal to 6, GCD is 2. Okay, so this is not the case, so we should use the printf function here. Okay, so I will execute here 4, 6, 2 is my GCD, so I should print after the loop. I should use the printf statement after my loop. Okay, maybe I think you got it. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.